my name is Natalia and today I'm gonna show you how to create this fun and festive card. So it's a shaker card for New Year's Eve. So here's what you need to create this card. Now take one of your cards, which will be the front piece. Either print out an image or grab your phone and find a New Year's image you'd like. Turn the brightness up on your screen and enlarge the image. Place a regular piece of paper on top and sketch the image. Make sure to hold down on the paper so it doesn't move when you're sketching. Cut out the image, turn it around and sketch all over the back of it. Place it wherever you want on the front piece. Press down hard on the lines when you're resketching the image. If you want, you can resketch it on the front piece so you know where the image is. Carve out a window in your image. I'm carving out the liquid part of these glasses. Place the front piece on the back piece and sketch around inside these windows. You need to make a wall around the sketches you just made on the back piece. So cut out some small pieces of foam stickers and attach them around the sketch, but not too close to the lines, otherwise they will be visible. The height of the wall needs to be as tall as the largest bead you want to add. So add as many layers you need for the bead to move freely inside the walls. I've added 4. You need to add the same amount of layers around the edges on the back piece. This is to keep everything leveled. Now take the front piece and turn it around, because we need to glue a piece of acetate onto the back of it. So measure out how much you need and then cut a piece off. Put some glue around the opening and then attach the acetate. And press down to make it stick properly. Now before adding the front piece to the back piece, we need to decorate it. You can add a greeting, fireworks, drawings, pictures, whatever you feel like. Now remove all of the protective paper from the back piece, then add your beads into the 2 holes. Align the front piece with the back piece and the windows with the 2 holes. And press down to make the whole thing stick together. Now you're ready to shake things up. Now for the random question of the day. What is invisible that you wish people could see? It could be cool to see ghosts, but also terrifying, but maybe the wind. Yeah, the wind would be very cool to see, you know, the swirls and how it just rushes by. That could be epic. What about you? What do you wish people could see that's invisible? Now I hope you enjoy watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the bell button below so don't miss out of any future videos. And if you're looking for more New Year's Eve DIYs, check out these videos here and I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!